It has been testing times for embattled Nairobi County Speaker Beatrice Elachi, who has been facing legitimacy questions after members of the County Assembly impeached her on Thursday last week. The tribulations now forcing her to shift from City Hall to courtroom. Elachi, who has been enjoying temporal reprieve after the Labour Relations Court temporarily stopped her impeachment, was before the same court Tuesday to salvage her job. MCAs who, despite the stay orders, stormed the Speaker's office Monday to eject her, asked the court to lift the order on grounds that the case was defective. Through their lawyer Tom Oyenda, the MCAs claimed Elachi did not file the petition, saying it was instead filed by her personal assistant James Masharia.
My Lord, we pray that you strike out the irregular notice of motion and the affidavit of James Masharia Mwanga.
But Elachi's lawyer Harrison Kinyanjui argued that the Speaker could not sign the affidavit because she was attending other matters in Malindi.
The petitioner was attending a devolution conference at Malindi. Now, I said earlier on, I do not know of any record of an angel from heaven, being in heaven at the same time and being on earth.
The MCAs maintained that the election and removal of the Speaker was a political rather than a legal process, and as such, courts had no jurisdiction over the matter.
Speakers of the County Assembly are elected. An election is a political process. And to the extent that it is a political process, we must be careful to avoid conflicting, even if there is case law that suggests this court has jurisdiction to hear about the dismissal and whatnot. We must be always alive. These are not the conventional type of employment relationships.
We live in the world of innovation. We must be innovative in terms of what the Constitution provides. But Article 258 of the Constitution does provide the necessary framework, the springboard, as it were, for anyone to move the court, even by way of a tissue paper. Professor, you can write on a tissue paper that someone's rights are being infringed and the court will hear you.
The court, however, gave Elachi a reprieve by extending the stay orders to this Friday.
So ruling on 14th, interim orders extended.
Much obliged.
Much obliged. On behalf of my life friends, I thank you, my Lord.
Samson Kitavi, Channel 1 News.
Same to you.
Thank you.